Where are we going?
This is a box.
What box?
The box where my present is.
Where do you think it is?
I have no idea.
Do you know where the box is?
No,
You don't know where?
I don't know.
Do you think it's in the garage?
Yes.
Let's go look. Hold on. Close your eyes.
Why?
Close your eyes.
Fine, I'm closing
Hold on.
it.
This is the box. Okay. All right, Sam.
Can we open the box?
Not right now. What do you
Why?
think it is?
I don't know.
How big is it?
Huge. Who tried to eat it?
That was just from in the truck.
I'm gonna open it now.
I know. Doesn't it look cool? Is it big as Dad?
No, it's not big, Sam.
It's pretty big though.
Then I want to open it. Try to open it now, Mom.
Try to open it.
No.
What do you think?
I want you to try to open it.
What do you think is in there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
It's in a box.
But what do you think it is?
I don't know. I was actually, plastic.
This is what's in the box, everyone. Sam doesn't know. Because he can't read. Alright, Daddy won't be able to get his car back in here today.
Why?
Because this is where his car goes. Alright, let's go in. We'll have another video when you open it.